This is the Prius hybrid 2014 EGR parts. This is the cooler. This part is the valve, and this is the pipe. This is also part of the system. Now these parts, when I took them out, they were really dirty. This had plenty carbon buildup on it with oil. This also had buildup of carbon and oil here and here. I could not see these parts as I'm seeing it now. I have already cleaned it, but I'm still going to show you a video with what I cleaned it and how it got clean. This is also dirty. As you can see, there's an impression of the dirt here, and on this side also. This, I could not see inside of this here. This has something like a radiator inside here, fins on both sides. I could not see inside there before. It was filled with gum, dirt, and high amount of carbon. Now this is what I used to clean it. This is a grill and oven cleaner. Now this, they say, according to the direction, you have to spray it on and leave it for 20 minutes. But I sprayed it on and I only left it for 10 minutes on each of these parts. And within 10 minutes, everything I was able to take just a hose with water and flush out inside here on both sides, and all the ports here, here and here, and everything came out really clean. This pipe, however, had a little residue after I cleaned it. You can hardly see inside here now, but it's clean. It's really clean inside, and this cleaner did it. Now this cleaner contains sodium hydroxide. Now it's dangerous for the eye and the skin, so you should wear a rubber gloves. That is what they recommend. Now to use this oven cleaner, you have to shake it well, and during use you have to continue shaking it while using it. Once you leave it soaking for 10 minutes, you can just flush it out with ordinary tap water. You just use a hose with a spray head or something and spray it out, and it's going to come out very, very clean. Now this, some of the people had it on video on YouTube, saying that this, when it's clogged badly, you have to change this. But with this cleaner, this oven cleaner, you will not have to change this, because this would clean it completely and no hassle. You just have to spray it on and leave it for 10 minutes. If it's not, it may have to go a little longer, but it will come out very clean. Now, all this had a high amount of carbon built up in here. I couldn't see in here. And now it is clean. The camera cannot pick up inside here clearly, so you cannot see through it, but I can see straight through it, and it's clean as if it was new. This is stainless steel, and you can spray that on and not worry about anything. But do not use this chemical where there is seals and plastic, because I do not know how it will react to that. They have said that they should not use it on plastic or rubber. In this can, the direction says that, but I do not know. But I know it can do. This is stainless steel, and you don't have to worry. You can spray it on both sides, and all you do is use a hose with a little pressure and wash it out, and it comes out very, very clean. No hassle and no extra cleaning. It washes out easily. If it doesn't, if yours is really, really bad, you may have to spray it a second time, but you still don't have to do it. It starts to build up a foam, and it just cuts all the carbon and oil out of this, so it comes out clean. This is super clean as it is right now. This, I couldn't see this here. This is the valve. You see it's opening and closing there now. I couldn't see this. I didn't know what it had here, because it's the first time I'm taking down one of these. I couldn't see inside here either. There's a shaft here. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. There's a shaft in here that you can see. This sometimes sticks. It sticks because carbon build up in the air, and sometimes it will not move. Some people say you have to change this, but once you use this oven cleaner, this is brand here is Bissell, but they might have other brands that have the same chemicals. Use it, and you could get rid of all the carbon. So this must travel freely. You see how this one is traveling? It's free. So all you have to do is use this spraying here. You don't have to spray much here, and you don't have to spray, but leave it for about 10 minutes at least, and it will wash out with water. You have no problem with that. Just use a hose with water and spray it out, and it will come out clean. You do not have to use a wire brush, as I have seen in some of the videos. This is just eating into the carbon and the oil, and it's melting out. It comes out clean. So that the same thing happens to this one, the carbon and the oil and whatever. This chemical eats into the carbon and oil and get rid of this. I just sprayed some on top of this pot here to show you how it foams up. And this has a little bit of carbon, and here it's just about 5 minutes now. But this is how it starts to eat into this has some carbon here with oil, and this has eaten into it already. And it starts to send out this foam. That is how it works. So that's all you need to do, and you would have your EGR system clean within 10 minutes. If it's really bad, you may have to spray it a second time. But for me, I only had to spray it 10 minutes because this vehicle only did 50,000 miles. It was dirty, but this was really dirty. But this one wasn't as dirty. The pipe was dirty, very dirty too. And it was, when I finished with it, it's very clean. It's super clean right now. So I hope this can help some mechanics who use like brake cleaner and part cleaner. That is slow. This one you don't have to do anything. You just spray it on and you wait. Give it the time and then wash it out. It comes out clean. I hope this helps someone.